Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steven here from WIT, and this is just one of the many reasons why I love our team and what we do for people. Let me make that a little smaller. So every 90 days, we create a new 90-day plan for each of our clients based on all the data that we have from the previous 90 days. So as opposed to a lot of agencies where they just say, okay, every month you're going to get this, you should spend this, and it just goes on like that in perpetuity, we use all of the data that we get from each 90 days to create a plan that gives us the most focus, that's going to give them the highest return on investment and the best results. So we're just reviewing some of these. So this is some of the data that I just found prepping for the next 90 days. So this is a 3-month data set for just a couple clients. I just took a quick snapshot. But basically each of these is a client, and then here's the averages for each of these. And you can see some of the really cool stuff. I mean, here's some of the things that I pull from this. SEO is still and continues to be the highest quantity and quality lead generator. You can see here a 3,100% ROI when it comes to organic on this client, 5,100 here, 192 here, or sorry, 477 here. So you get the point where SEO is still really important. But also we still have really good ROI on LSA and on PPC. So it's really important that you as an owner are looking at your data every month and every quarter, and then working with your digital agency to create a plan that's going to create the most results for you based on how things have been performing. And yeah, I was really proud of this when I started to look through the data from the last 3 months as the team started doing their 90-day plans, and you get these averages like 1,300%, 1,800%, 294%, and this one you can see average cost per job is pretty low for this client. So that's something that we can take back to them and say, okay, cool, what are you guys doing to work on this so that we can get all of these numbers up, and we can have a pretty big increase in your overall ROI. And then you get 600% down here. And one of these clients is a little bit younger. One of them has been with us for quite a long time, but you get the general sense of what's going on and how your agency should be working with you. But this is just really cool. I was really proud of it and wanted to share what we're doing for some of our clients heading into Q2 of 2021. Thanks.